Attending concerts and live music events is an exhilarating experience that never fails to leave me in awe. The energy, the melodies, and the crowd's enthusiasm create a magical atmosphere that is simply unforgettable. One memorable concert experience was when I attended a rock concert by one of my favorite bands. The moment the lights dimmed, and the stage came alive with music, I could feel the adrenaline surging through the crowd. The lead vocalist's powerful voice resonated in the air, and the guitar riffs electrified the atmosphere. As I sang along with fellow fans, a sense of unity and shared passion filled the venue. I've also had the pleasure of attending classical music concerts. The elegance of an orchestra and the precision of the musicians are truly captivating. I recall an evening when I attended a symphony performance. The conductor's graceful movements and the harmonious blend of instruments created a symphony of emotions. Each note seemed to evoke a different feeling, and I was transported to a world of musical splendor. Live music events in smaller, intimate venues have their own charm. I once attended a jazz club where talented pianists played soulful melodies. The close proximity to the artist and the intimate setting allowed for a deep connection with the music. It was an experience of pure musical intimacy. Beyond concerts, music festivals have also been a source of joy. The lively atmosphere, diverse genres, and the opportunity to discover new artists make music festivals an adventure. I've camped at a music festival where I enjoyed a mix of indie bands, electronic artists, and folk musicians. Dancing under the open sky and bonding with fellow festival goers created memories that will last a lifetime. Reflecting on these concert experiences, I've come to appreciate the power of music to unite people, evoke emotions, and create lasting memories. Whether it's the electrifying energy of a rock show, the refined elegance of classical music, the intimacy of jazz, or the diversity of music festivals, each live music event has a unique way of leaving its mark on my heart.